Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is time for some more free game dev stuff. Yes, every other Tuesday, Epic Games gives away a number of assets on Fab. This week is no exception. Now, one thing's a little different. Lately, I've been summing together all of the deals I can find into one place. This time, I'm recording quite a bit in advance because I am actually on vacation as you are listening to this. So there may have been some deals this week that I did not catch, but I did find you a bonus item. So what we've got here, we got 3 different items for game developers on the Fab Marketplace. 3 of them for Unreal Engine. 1 of them also works in Unity, although the obligatory, you can export these out to other game engines. Like here, you can see this asset minus the train running inside of the Godot game engine. So even if you are not using Unreal Engine, you should be hoarding these, and hoarding these some more. And you will find some guides down below on how you can do those exports. This case, I used Unreal to Godot like I do most weeks, but there are other options. Check the guides out down below. So this is the first one. This is Scrapopolis. It's pretty straightforward, sort of a post-apocalyptic slash future slash lo-fi or sci-fi, low science, whatever, scavenger camp base. Pretty straightforward. And you see a quick look at the overview map over here. The items that you are getting in this one are scrap, lots of scrap. And then we've got things like benches and crates and so on. And then all the things you need to make the various different buildings that we saw in action over there. A very straightforward item. The next one is also straightforward. This one is actually available for Unity as well. You can download it from the Fab Marketplace as a Unity package. This is a stone golem. Right there, you see multiple different skins. So super simple to change out the skins on these guys. For example, this guy over here, I could change him over to, it's this guy right here. I change him over to the glowy red type over there as well. So it's him. By the way, you check it out. He is rigged and ready to go. So there you can see various different animations on this guy. Again, also available for the Unity game engine as well. You download that one as a Unity package, not from the Fab launcher like you do with the Unreal Engine stuff. And then our final one is probably the most complicated. This is a universal spawner for Unreal Engine only. Let's go ahead and we'll show you the main blueprint demo of this. Weirdly enough, they've got the character in there, but they put no character controls in, so you can't walk around or anything. But what you got to see over here is you have, like, see this control spline over here? This is going to be used to spawn enemies. So once they're spawned all around there, enemies will come in from that point. But there's a number of different demos here. You can do these boxes as spawn points. Here is a spline being used as a spawn point. And then here is increasing wave spawn points. So let's go ahead. We'll run the example. It also comes with these towers, tower defense towers. So you see they're being spawned in an infinite wave around the outside edge. Like, pretty straightforward. So it's a number of different ways of spawning. You can also use it to spawn terrain. I think that's what this demo over here shows. So all of these rocks, for example, are being spawned via the spline right here. So if I just click there, I can move that around. And we're instancing along those spline points. Now, the thing I don't understand is for some reason, it chugs. Like, chugs. It might be because I'm using Unreal Engine 5.7 and this wasn't designed for it. Or what? I'm not sure. Also, for the most part, this has been replaced by the new procedural, the PCG, the proc gen stuff that's been added in the last couple versions of Unreal Engine. So, of questionable utility on that one. And again, you can see a more simple example here of just straight up spawning without all the other stuff going on. You can see it in action right over here. So you grab one of the spawn controllers like this. Yeah, here, let's just find one. So the spawner over here, you can see if you come down here, various different modes for it. So main spawn, wave mode, increased waves, and so on. And then spawns are a number of different options for how things are spawns. Here you can see spawns are being spawned via actors. You can spawn a couple different settings. We'll see that when we see at the very end of what is actually being spawned or created and so on. But it gives you an idea. This is a wave-based spawn. You can have single waves, multiple waves, and so on. So yeah, that is the spawner. And then our little bonus item, this was released actually a little while ago, but is super useful. You know how they've been creating a new material system inside of Unreal Engine for the last little while called Substrate. This is designed to basically go beyond PBR. The most useful example is for things like doing car paints and such. Well, they just did this massive dump of substrate materials that you can use in your title. So you can see a variety of different car paints, and then we've got fabrics and so on. So it is a huge, huge collection of substrate materials and so on. And then go back over here. So we got, again, other metals like chrome. There you can see chromium, and then black chrome, copper, gold, silver matte, titanium. So you get really detailed subsurfaces and so on with these things as well. So Substrate is a new material system here. They created this huge material pack of like fabrics and metals and so on. And the kind of neat thing is you can actually go over to this other one, this look dev view right here. So you got this plain, boring car that's doing not a much. And then you come on down here, go to your materials like so. And then you got a variety of materials to play with. So, for example, here I could go into paints, and I could do like a double or triple coat paint, and I can drop them on there and see what a double coat or triple coat paint looks like. And we also have upholstery. So if I want to make this thing out of carpet, well, actually, no, I want to make it out of suede, fuchsia suede. Boom, you've got this material viewer, and there is the new Substrate material system in action. So you're getting a ton of materials in this particular pack. So that is it for this month's giveaways. Again, if there were a couple of bonus items or freebies that I did not catch this week, it's again because I recorded this basically a week in advance. So sorry, next time in another 2 weeks from now, I will, of course, have that anything else I round up will be included in that video. So this one is going to run from March 24th until April the 7th. If you come in here, this will be marked as $0. Basically, just go in, pick whichever version. It's Epic Games picking up the tab, so it doesn't really matter which one you pick. $0, add it to cart, add it to cart, add it to cart. And once you've done that, they are yours to keep forever. So the first one we've got here again is the Scrapopolis steampunk environment. And again, quick reminder, even if you are not using Unreal Engine, hoard these. You may use them in the future, or you may export them out, such as using one of the guides down below. Very important reminder. So, Scrapopolis, Steampunk Village. So even though it shows as Unreal Engine only, you can get it out. On top of that, we have the Advanced Universal Spawner. So AI Spawner, Wave Spawner, and Actor Spawner. It is network replicated. So full details of that are down there. So you can spawn out a state machine, actor, sprites, or pawns. You've got waves, increasing wave modes, and so on. And then finally, we have the Stone Golem, which again is available for Unity as well as Unreal Engine. So if you want it for Unity, you come to the Fab Marketplace after you've bought it, and it'll be downloadable here as a Unity package that you can import directly into your title. Pretty straightforward guy. It's a number of skins of golems. And then finally, we have the automotive substrate materials that they've added. There's no time limit on this one, so this is just free forever. Now, one thing I found really interesting in this one is they actually released this under their standard license and not the Epic Games license, which is interesting because if you look at the terms, it isn't, usage is not limited to Unreal Engine. I get asked that quite a bit. There is a guide about that down below, but most of the times when Epic Games releases something, they put it under their exclusive license, like MetaHumans and some of the game assets they released. They said you could only use these with an Unreal Engine. Now, interestingly enough, this one isn't. Now, at the same time, they're substrate materials, so other than using the raw assets from it, there's not much you're going to do with that anyways. But it's interesting to note that that one is under the standard license and not under a special license. I found that a little strange. Anyways, that is this bi-monthly giveaway. Come back in 2 weeks. We will have another one. If you want to stay up to date, the latest, greatest in the world of game development news, do hit that like and subscribe button. Also, let me know what you think of this week's stuff. I got to admit, I'm a little underwhelmed, but I'm curious, what do you think? Comments down below. Never going to complain about free, though. All right, talk to you later. Goodbye.